Good morning, students of standard 8. Welcome in day 9. As you know that in day 8 I have taught you about, I have explained what will be the changes when electricity conduct from an electrolysis. There should be three chances changing. First changing is the color of the electrolysis may be changed. दूसरा, second, the deposition of the formation of bubbles on the electrolyte electrodes. Third, the formation deposition of metals from electrodes. Okay, that means there are three changes. First changes, change in color of the electrolyte. Second, formation of bubbles on the electrodes. Third, deposition of metals of electrodes. Okay, so today I will do another activity. I will explain another activity, activity number 6, how to show any electrolyte change its color when electricity passes through them. Okay, so students, kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and turn page number 195. Okay, page number 195 and see activity 6. Okay, and the aim of this activity is to observe the change in color caused by the chemical effect of electric current. That means you have to show there when electricity pass through an electrolysis, then the color of electrolyte change. How will you show that? So let us hear material required. Okay, a potato, you will take a potato, copper wire and magnetic compass tester. Magnetic compass tester, I have already discussed how to make magnetic compass tester. Okay, like this. Okay, now see procedure. Cut a potato into two halves. First of all, you will take a potato and cut into two halves. Insert the free ends of the copper wire of a tester. Then you will insert the free end of the magnetic compass tester, okay, in the potato. Into it, leave the setup for half an hour, and then after, when you will insert the free ends of the tester, magnetic compass tester, in the potato, then you will leave for half an hour and observe the changes. Student, you must have observed a greenish blue spot on the potato around one wire. When you insert two free ends of the wire of the magnetic compass tester, and after half an hour you will observe the potato, then you will see there is a greenish blue spot on the first wire which is inserted on the potato, whereas there was no such spot around the other wire. And you have seen there is nothing, any spot found in the other end of the wire. If you repeat the activity, you will observe that the greenish blue spot would always appear on the side of the wire which is connected to the positive terminal of the cell. That means you will repeat this activity again and again, then you will observe that greenish blue spot is always found, will be always found on the that wire which is connected to the positive terminal of the compass. Okay, so don't you think that this can be used to identify positive terminal of a battery if not disclosed. Okay, students, electrolysis process is used in many ways, like electroplating or electrorefining. Electrorefining means the process of extraction of metals from one metals to another metals. Okay, such as suppose that any chemical compound is found in two or three metals, combination of two or three metals, then we have to do their electrolysis process to separate the each metals from the collection of all metals. Okay, so we can say that electrolysis process, that means chemical effect of electric current, is used to separate the metals from the combination of two or three metals. Okay, and the another use is electroplating, which I will taught in next class. Okay, electroplating. What is electroplating? Electroplating means the deposition of any metal, thin layer of any metals to the other metals to protect them for environment is known as electroplating. That means electroplating is also a type of electrolysis, which I will discuss in day 10 class. Okay, students, now let us see some facts about this. Students, here electrolysis has its application in number of areas. That means electrolysis process is used in many areas. It is widely used in refining and extraction of metals. That means it is used, electrolysis process used to refine and extraction of metals from impure samples. Okay, suppose that when metals are extracted from the earth, then it is impure in impure samples, then electrolysis process is done to extract pure metals. Okay, this process is called electrorefining. Okay, that means the process of refining of metals or extraction of metals from its impure samples is called electrorefining. Okay, it is also useful in coating one metal over the other. Okay, that means when one metal, the coating of one thin layer of metal into the other metal to protect them by air contact, this process is called electroplating, which I will discuss in day 10. Okay, students, today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Student, this is your homework for day 9. Today I have given two questions. Okay, see question number 1. With an activity, explain the chemical effect of electric current. That means you will show how will you define chemical effect of an electric current with an activity. Okay, and second question is, what is this process known as? Okay, now question number 2. Differentiate between electrolytes and non-electrolytes. You will just differentiate between electrolyte and non-electrolytes. Student, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.